One of James Hardie's, the siding's greatest benefits is its resistance to fire. So I know James Hardie themselves have done case studies, and there's videos on YouTube you can go access that talks about some of the California fires and how well the siding held up to it. The nice thing is the way Hardie's engineered, with it being fiber cement, it doesn't spread flame. So meaning if the structure is on fire around it, it may scorch the surface of it, it may turn it black, and the paint itself could obviously melt off. But the James Hardie siding itself, the flame will not spread around the house like you would see with vinyl siding or wood siding. Coincidentally, we recently had a client, thank the Lord they all made it out safe, but we had done Hardie siding on their house about 18 months ago, and at 3 a.m, they had a fire start in their garage from a lithium battery that was plugged in for one of the kids' ride-on Power Wheel cars. And so caught fire in the garage, immediately spread because of all the flammables that are inside of a garage, typically between gas and other cars and things like that. And so the fire spread pretty rapidly inside the garage. It was starting to work through the firewall of the drywall into the main house. So the whole house had smoke damage. The homeowners were able to get out safely, got the fire department there. But when I went and visited, the siding itself, other than seeing some of the charring on the outside, you couldn't tell that there was much of a fire at all. The siding held up incredibly well to it. There was no deterioration or degradation to it. Now the inside structure, the wood components, the framing, the trusses, those were heavily damaged from the fire. But the Hardie siding itself really held up well and probably prevented the fire from continuing to spread through the outside of the house even further. So, you know, it's one of those things we always recommend when you get Hardie put on your home, let your insurance company know, because it's essentially a masonry product. And so insurance rates typically drop because the house will not spread flame. If your neighbor's house catches on fire, unfortunately, it won't jump to your house and start burning your house like it would if it was wood or vinyl. So Hardie does incredibly well with fire resistance and keeping the fire to a minimum if it does impact your home.